another great $1 module that I found online. And what is it? It's a DIY project, and the model is F8 RGB lamp adjust light color and brightness through sliding resistor electronic DIY kit, electronic soldering practice kit. Yes, this is perfect for beginners and for making a DIY project out of electronic components and PCB board. It's only $1, so that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. It comes in zip bag. Let's see what is included in the package. Whoa, metal screws. Alright. This is probably the circuit diagram. Yes. Alright. So here it is, the circuit diagram, and it's explained very well where to solder the electronic components on the PCB board. And you can see that we have RGB 8mm LEDs, resistors. These are potentiometers, sliding potentiometers, the DC jack, couple of metal screws, and the main part is this PCB board where all electronic components will be placed and soldered. And while we are at PCB boards, take a look at this board, which is perfect design, and also you can make and design your own PCB board at today's sponsor of this video, which is JLC PCB. Discover unbeatable value at JLC PCB Black Friday sale. $650 value pack and limited $20 special coupon. The campaign will run from 18th of November until 8th of December. Upgrade your projects with premium 6-layer PCBs offering exceptional quality and precision. Check out their newest product, polyimide flexible heaters and silicone rubber heaters. Special offer for 150mm by 150mm size 3 pieces for only $3. Whether you need prototypes or full production with fast delivery, reliable and affordable manufacturing, you can find it only at jlcpcb.com. Back to the project now, and let's start with soldering the electronic components on the board. We're going to start with the resistors. We have 9 or 10 that need to be placed and soldered. I solder all the resistors, which are 330 ohms, and the next thing that I will add are the sliders. What it says, brightness, blue, green or red. They will go just like this. Come on. Next, the LEDs, and you need to pay attention on the polarity of the pins. It will go just like this. Okay, push. All right. You can see on the legs that one is the longest, and that is ground. Also is marked on the PCB which one is the ground. Come on. Alright. And the last one. Beautiful. Also I will place the DC jack for powering the module. Let's solder the last components. And I'm finished. Take a look at the DIY project, how it turned out. And it's cool. I made a DIY RGB lamp that you can choose whatever color you want using those 3 sliders for adjusting the brightness of the 3 colors: red, green and blue. It works on 5 volts DC. I'm gonna place power supply on that DC jack and try it. Alright, so no transistors, no integrated chips, just the sliders or the potentiometers through the resistors will control the LEDs and the brightness of the LEDs, RGB LEDs. Now I'm gonna plug in the DC jack. I'm gonna apply 5 volts as it says in instruction manual. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, let's try it. Red, green, white. When all potentiometers are up, you will get white light. Alright, let's go this way. Blue, green, red. And you can mix whatever color you want. Beautiful. Nice. Let's see it in darkness now. Okay. Blue, green, red. And take a look. Now I have a yellow. This is white or violet. Nice. You can make your own DIY lamp with controlling the primary colors. This is beautiful. And it's cheap, only $1. So you can play and have fun time making this. Nice. It turned out pretty cool and I love it because it's DIY project. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!